And we're back. Episode 13. I'm recording this on May 10th. I'm wearing flannel. It snowed yesterday. Hey Google, what's the temperature outside?
The current temperature in Streetsboro is 33 degrees. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's 23.
Hey Google, what's today's date?
It is Saturday, May 9th, 2020.
This is definitely the strangest school year I've ever been a part of. Thank you guys for coming back. Brand new week of Problem of the Day. 3 episodes coming for you this week, starting with episode 13. With the snow outside, craziness. Hope you're enjoying these. Please remember, snap that picture of your work, put it in your portfolio so I can give you some feedback. Today's problem should not be that difficult, but there's one thing you're going to need to remember that we've spent a lot of time talking about this year. Let's take a look at the problem. Sandra bought 38 DVD movies for $874. Approximate the cost of each DVD movie. We spent a lot of time this year talking about what it means to approximate something and how to do that. So hopefully you remember it to solve this problem. Go ahead and hit the pause button. Solve the problem. When you're finished, hit play, and we'll see how you did. All right, let's see how you did. So that word that I was talking about is approximate. And we spent a lot of time talking about approximating this year in my classroom. So remember we talked about how there's a little bit of a difference between approximating and estimating. When you're estimating, there's like a set of steps you need to go through where you're looking at different digits and rounding up, not rounding down. That's not a thing. Okay, you don't round down. Sometimes the digit stays the same, but you do not round down. Approximating is a little bit differently, and those of you who spend time in my classroom during math time, or if you've watched any of these other videos, you know how much I love my friendly numbers. So when you are approximating, you're looking at the numbers that you're being given, and you make some shifts, either increasing or decreasing, to give yourself friendlier numbers to work with. So that's what we're going to do today when we approximate this. So Sandra spent $874 on these DVD movies. Sandra's got a much better allowance than I have, even as a teacher and an adult, that I could not spend $874 on DVD movies as much as I would love to. Wow. Anyhow, so if we were solving this problem without having to approximate, all we would do was take 874 and divide that by 38. Okay, the total amount that she spent divided by the total number of DVDs, and that would give us how much each DVD was. So we would do 800, only our 8 would be much better than that. 874 dollars divided by 38 movies. Now, because we are approximating, we're going to make some slight adjustments to 874 and also 38. Notice I'm not saying 874 because and shows that there's a fraction coming. There's no fraction or decimal in this problem. So, 874, kind of close to 880. Okay, again, I like my multiples of 10. I like zeros in the one place. Those are friendlier numbers to work with. Okay? 38, it's kind of close to 40. And remember, these squiggly looking equal signs shows that you are rounding or estimating or not the actual value. It's not an equal sign because 874 is not equal to 880, but it's close. So, to find out how much she spent on each DVD approximately, I'm going to take 880 and divide that by 40. Okay. I like friendly numbers so much, I'm going to even go a step deeper into this. And I'm going to break 40 into 10 times 4. So I'm going to divide 880 divided by 10. And I'm doing that inside my parentheses because I'm doing that first. And then I'm going to divide that by 4. 4 times 10 equals 40. So 880 divided by 10 equals 88. So I'm going to do 88 divided by 4. Okay. Now this is just mental math here. 8 divided by 4 is 2. I've got an 8 in the ones place. I've got an 8 in the tens place. I know that I don't need to regroup at all here. So 88 divided by 4 is 22. So we started with 874 divided by 38. We approximated 874 to 880. We approximated 38 to 40. So we gave ourselves some friendlier numbers to work with. 880 divided by 40 is the same thing as 880 divided by 10 divided by 4. 880 divided by 10 is 88. 88 divided by 4 is 22. So Sandra spent approximately $22 on each DVD. So we read our problem, we did our calculations, no drawing today. Now we're ready to write our answer. I'll use this space over here. Okay, I gave myself enough room in that spot. So, Sandra. Okay, yep, you can just making sure my shoulder's not blocking you. That would be bad. Spent approximately $22 on each DVD. So, we're starting the week off on sort of an easy problem. The math on this one, the calculations were not that difficult, as long as you remembered what it means to approximate something. $874. Wow. All right. 3 episodes coming at you this week. Episode 13. You could check that one off. 2 more coming. Episode 14 Wednesday, 15 Friday. Then 3 more next week, and believe it or not, 2019-2020 school year is in the books. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having fun with these. I hope you're enjoying yourselves. I hope you are learning things. See you soon for episode 14.